Stocks and news, TVS Supply Chain, Yes Bank, Automotive Axles, AstraZeneca and GMDC. IRCTC, GIC of India, Brigade Enterprises, ITI, Aditya Birla, EIH, NBCC, RR Cable, Aster DM, RITES, Engineers India, PTC Industries, GNFC, Midhani and more will announce their Q4 results today. Q4 results today, IRCTC, Linde India, Prestige Estates Projects, General Insurance Corporation of India, Brigade Enterprises, ITI, Aditya Birla Fashion and Retail, EIH, Amara Raja Energy and Mobility, NBCC, India, RR Cable, Aster DM Healthcare, RITES, Engineers India, PTC Industries, Gujarat Narmada Valley Fertilizers and Chemicals, Mishra Dhatu Nigam and MMTC are among the companies that will announce the March quarter results today. TVS Supply Chain Solutions. The company had a consolidated fourth quarter net profit at 5.4 crore rupees as compared with a net loss of 9.4 crore rupees in the same period last year. On a consolidated basis, revenue for the quarter stood at 2,426.3 crore rupees, up 4.5% YoY. Yes Bank. The Reserve Bank of India has imposed a monetary penalty of 91 lakh rupees on Yes Bank for non-compliance with directions on customer service in banks and unauthorized operation of internal office accounts. Automotive Axles. The auto ancillary company's net profit in the March 2024 quarter declined 13.2% YoY to 44.1 crore rupees, compared to 50.8 crore rupees in the year-ago period. Revenue from operations dropped 17.5% YoY to 571.5 crore rupees. The company board recommended a final dividend of 32 rupees apiece. AstraZeneca Pharma. The drug maker reported a 128.6% YoY in net profit at 39.47 crore rupees in the fourth quarter of FY24. The company posted a 34.59% YoY increase in its consolidated revenue from operations, coming in at 383.19 crore rupees. The company board announced a final dividend at 24 rupees per share. Gujarat Mineral Development Corporation. The state-owned firm reported a 53.2% YoY decline in net profit at 207 crore rupees for the fourth quarter that ended 31st March 2024. Its revenue from operations dipped 20.8% YoY to 750.7 crore rupees. The board has recommended a dividend of 9 rupees and 55 paise per equity share. Diamond Power Infrastructure. Promoters Monarch Infraparks and GSEC will be selling 12.86 lakh equity shares, or a 2.44% stake each, in the company via an offer for sale on May 28 to 29. The floor price has been fixed at 855 rupees per share. Disclaimer. This article provides stock market news for informational purposes only and should not be construed as investment advice. Readers are encouraged to consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions.